building is start from the foundation. The foundation we mix the concrete, the materials, but also we put the probiotics. The main thing in probiotics with the concrete is increase the strength of the concrete. This is the number one. Number two is the neutralization of the fumes and chemicals inherent to the cement that is commercially produced. The Tapas and Mita decided to do the whole building with the lined architectures, and then we felt that the line for increase the life of the line compared with the normal lined architecture can get easily corrosion by the environment, especially the acid rain is one of the most affecting the line, yes, the acid rain. Because line and acid is reacting, and this is how it starts the corrosion in line. One of the points with the line production and the probiotics is to neutralize the acid. Then the proposal was not only to avoid the problem of mold and the problem of fungus and the problem of termites, and also for increase the strength of the concrete, but most important is to increase the shelf life of the lime. We have very ancient buildings in India with lime. Examples of long life lime building in our Tamil Nadu environmental conditions: very high humidity, very high temperatures, respecting monsoons, shorter or longer monsoons. This bring the problems of acid rains because very high pollution in all this area for the high fertilizers and pesticides application in the farming. You just can see the shade, the final. This is the final look of the wall. This is the wall. It's the same formulation they apply it. There is no sand, there is no cement there. It's just the lime, the jaggery, and the probiotics. This is the final look. But the smell is very much like you say brew. It's like you are really visiting one brew factory because the after of the microorganisms there. Photosynthetic bacteria is there.
That's the wall before, is that
that is the wall. That is the normal wall. This is the wall already plastered. And this is the wall. Whatever is here, the tunnels, the walls, the floors, the roof, the whole main building, except for the woodwork and for the glass, everything is done with the probiotics. And the idea is also to cool down the building. Probiotics help to cool down the building. And opposite, in very cool countries, the probiotics help to heat the building.
How?
And the microbes works according to what is the environment, yes? The important is they bring the balance. And because they are catching all this amount of infrared rays, they are the ones like filtering the infrared rays. And they are giving us what we need from these infrared rays. If we are cold, they heat. If we are so much hot, they are releasing the heat. We don't need to put any information on them. They are capable to do that. The other aspect is the amount of the antioxidants produced by the microorganisms. And this kind of consortium probiotics technology we are using here, we have 16 strains of bacteria. This is one living building.
So it's not an exaggeration to say it's a living, breathing building.
It's not exaggeration when I say it's living building. Only that people can know and figure out how living is the building. Yes? And when you have one living building, the only thing that happens is that the building can walk. And they are not able to walk or to fly. But they are able to do many things that in our ignorance we are not capable of understanding. The neutralization of the free ions, who are our worst enemies for our cells, they are taken care of. They are taken care of the humidity, they are taken care of the fluctuation of the temperature, they are taken care of the mold, they are taken care of the fungus. They are taking out the cracks in the building, yeah, and take care of the acid rain. They are taking care of the shelf life of the building. This is the living thing we are talking about. It's very challenging for the human beings. It's challenging to believe that scientifically this is happening. It's just the problem is human beings. They are not the problem. We are the problem.
The limits of the human imagination
Absolutely.
and scientific discovery too.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah.